Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys my bedroom. I'd like to believe it's finally done, but I still have just tiny bits of touching up to do, but otherwise I'm done with the big stuff. So let's go ahead and start. So as you guys know, if you've watched my video before, you know my bedroom, like my bed setup and stuff. I still have the frames on over my headboard saying faith, love and peace, because those are the principles I like to live by in my life. And this is my bed, pink and gray. So as you know, my bedroom theme is pink and gray and white. And here I have my ugly side table, which I still hate, by the way, but I'm not gonna be changing it, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. The next time I buy furniture, it's gonna be for my house. So yeah, I have that plus the book that I'm currently reading, which my friend borrowed me, and we have those lamps over here, side lamps, which I don't use because I can't find, let me show you guys, I can't find bulbs for them. Like I keep buying wrong bulbs, so I just stopped looking for them altogether. And then my gray curtains, and over here I have my, okay, I look a little fat, yeah. So here I have my full-length mirror, which was stuck behind my wardrobe at some points, but yeah, it fell off and I don't know where to put it, so I just put it here and pray that it does not tip over and break. And here my washing baskets and my that's my gym bag, and this is my business banner here on the side. And then my new favorites is this chest of drawer from Ikea. It's a 6-drawer thingy, so it has 4 drawers here and 2 drawers here on top for my underwear, and the rest is for clothing, of course, and some for linen. And yeah, this took me probably the whole day to to assemble. It was a job and a half, and yeah, I did it myself. It was so hectic, like my hands were paining by the end of the day, but yeah, it wasn't really that bad. No, it was bad, let me not lie, it was bad. Like it took me half the day to complete. And next, this is also my favorite. So I've been wanting this table for a long time. This wasn't bad. The assembling was really not bad. I did it very quickly. And yeah, so on top, what I like about it, it has this glass on top here. So you know, for me especially, I'm a dark skinned person, so my foundation would probably stain the white on this table. And over here I have my makeup. I don't like this setup at all. I don't like it because I would have loved for this table to be as minimal as possible on top of here, but it's not. Unfortunately, this does not fit. Oh, so this has a drawer. It does not fit here. Like I can't put in my eyeshadow palettes unless they are laying flat over here. So what I could fit in was this compact stuff and foundations. I'm yet to find organizers for this drawer so that it looks organized, because currently it is irritating me with everything just all over the place. And I could just use having my brushes here. That's the only thing I actually want on this table, and probably my lipsticks as well, but this I don't like. And then now I have a hand mirror and my round beautiful mirror, which I got from Mr. Price a while back. And here I got my mouse, so I sometimes work on this table. yeah, most of the time I work on it if I'm not working from my bed to edit stuff. And then meet my beautiful plant Ostelo. So when I got this, it had 2 leaves, and then I managed to grow 1. So I've had it for over a month now. And this beautiful planter was from Mr. Price, and it was on sale, so I don't think it's still available. And over the side here I have my makeup trolley, which I don't like seeing here as well, but it'll do, does not matter. I'm thinking eventually I'll get a drawer here, like a set of drawers for my makeup, because some of my makeup is in here, and yeah, so this space here is not enough for all of my makeup. So yeah, in due time I'll get that for myself. And then here I have my mini bookshelf and my little collection here, and here on top of here, so here these are my planners and whatever books that I need to write my business stuff. And so I actually like this. So this was tissue thingy. It was this long cylinder, and I cut it to make it a pen holder, and yeah, I like it. I'm gonna buy another one. And then here, so I got this hoping it would work as a book end, but I don't know if I need to get more of these stones to make it like heavy so that it does not move. So it did not work, so I had to opt to make these lay flats and use them as a book end for the rest of my books. And yeah, so here the shelves brackets are working as a book end for these books here. And yeah, the next is my shelf. So this is from Ikea as well. It is actually a bookshelf, but yeah, you guys should check out my previous video. I got this a while back, and yeah, so I'm using it as my shoe rack. And guess what, it is not enough for my shoes as well. I still have more shoes than this. So if I had more space, I'd probably put in more, but now if I put more, then I wouldn't be able to open my door. So yeah, it had huge gaps in between, so I had to have 1, 2, so yeah, it was this shelf and this shelf installed when I got my wardrobes fitted in. So yeah, if you guys know, I had this ugly brown furniture in my room, and I had a brown wardrobe. And yeah, so this space used to be where I work, and it used to be my vanity as well. So I've switched up places from my wardrobe and chest of drawers used to be here, so I moved the wardrobe here to this side so that I have a bigger wardrobe and space enough for a lot of clothes that I hardly even wear. And then I basically switched things up from this side to this side. And yeah, that is it, you guys. So here is my so this is my perfume tray, and my bath salt here, and my 2 candles from Mr. Price, which I use when we have load shedding. And so for now I have this vase with this big fake plant of flowers. Are these lilies? No, they're not lilies. I don't care. So these are fake. So for now I have these here because this wall is a bit bare, and I don't think I want art for this space. So I'm thinking of getting like a small TV, because when I'm working on my laptop, and my laptop is basically my TV, that's where I watch stuff from. I don't watch like actual TV. So yeah, I always stream stuff. So I'm thinking of getting a 32-inch smart TV for here, and yeah, that will be it. And then I'll get rid of this flower. I don't really like it, but yeah, I don't like this bare wall as well. So yeah, that's gonna be my last project. Yeah, getting a TV for this wall. So yeah, guys, that is it. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.